Hi, welcome to Sound Sensations. I'm going to be doing a butterfly chain pull painting today. I've got my white acrylic on my 14 by 14 canvas, and I'm just going to give it a quick little torch to get the bubbles out. Now, anybody that's new to my channel, please hit subscribe. It would be very much appreciated. And everyone that keeps coming back, thank you so much. You're awesome. Now this is a new torch that keeps flaming up on me for some reason. I even turned the dial down hoping it would help, and it's still doing it. I'm not sure what's going on with that. If anybody watching knows why it keeps flaming, please comment and let me know so I can fix it. But I am still getting used to it. It's a new torch. Okay, so I'm going to first start out with just a couple of greens. I have my sap green and black mixed together to make a darker green. And this is what sap green looked like before I added the black. I'm going to put those down first. And I'm just going to kind of do a couple of drips. And maybe a couple here too. And then I'm going to add some sap green just over top of the same area. Mixing up my greens a little bit. This will probably be a quick little painting. Anybody can do this. You don't have to be an artist. Just grab a canvas and some paint and go to it. All right. Now, do I want to use my chain? No. Well, I'll use my smaller chain. I'll use my smaller gold one. And I'm just going to pull this green just down in a wisp, and this one as well. And this one I think I want to pull it all the way up to the end of my canvas. Oops, stop shaking, there we go. And this one I think I will as well. Grab some more of the dark and pull it. Okay. And this one as well. That one I totally missed my blob, so I'm going to go over it again. It's okay, just add some personality to my painting. Okay. Okay, I'll leave that for now. Actually, there's one spot here I want to get. I'm going to go this way. There we go. Now, typical as an artist, you're always adding to things and doing whatever you're going to do, whatever your gut tells you to do. Okay. I'm just going to put that chain aside. I actually have some water put aside. There we go. So I can soak that paint off. Now to do the butterfly. I'm going to do probably... I'm totally kicking myself right now. I should have done a background. I always like to do a colorful background. Oh well. Every painting's different. Okay, so she's going to be a colorful butterfly. And I'm going to start here with some orange. And then add the second wing like that, I think. And I'm going to do some chrome, or sorry, that was chrome orange. This is my fire red. But chrome orange and fire red looks really nice together. Okay. Let's put some yellow in her as well. I'm going to go here and here, and here and here. And I also have some turquoise. It's ready mixed pouring paint. I don't have anything added to this. All my other paints have glue and water mixed in. This is coming straight out of the bottle. Okay, we'll start with that and see how it works. I'm going to take my chain and lay it over top of these colors. I'm just going to start pulling her in. Right down to the area of the body that I want the butterfly to be. I'll do the same here. It's going to be a very colorful winged butterfly. Okay. I'm just going to plop that one in my bottle of water. My cup of water, I should say. Okay, now to get the design I want, I'm going to grab my cordless airbrush and I'm just going to blow a little bit of this coloring in the wings that I pulled. Blow a little bit here. Okay, now I'm going to take my paint knife and I'm just going to draw a little bit of a framing of this wing right along the outside. Do the same here. Beautiful. I think I need to blow a little bit more of the paint here. I want her wings to be a little bit less of a straight line. Okay. Now the body, I'm going to do it in black. Need to fix this a little bit. So I want that to be more white. Just kind of cover up the coloring a little bit. It'll cover it with the black as well, but I'm just helping it. Okay. Touch my painting with my bottle and did an extra drop. It's okay. It's all good. It's one thing nice with fluid paint. You can work with it. I'm just dragging some of that black through down to make the body. And I think I might want a little bit of black right here. Just to accent the wing a little bit. Separated. Excellent, that's what I want. Okay, now I'm just gonna do a couple little wisps and a couple there. Pull a little bit more down. Give it a torch, hopefully it doesn't flame. Okay, so now I want to do a couple of little colorful flowers. Let's do, I'm just going to do a little dot of turquoise here, one over here. Where else do I want some? Maybe right here. And one up here. Okay, and with that I'm going to do some brilliant blue. Has a tiny bit of silicone in it. I'm going to do a painting there. I just dropped some there. Okay. I think I might want to do a little bit of white just to make sure that this flower flows the way I want it to. You can never go wrong with white. Okay. Now I'm going to grab my airbrush. Okay. I'm just framing it a little bit to make it look like a flower bud. And adding the colors a little bit down into the green stem, just to give it a finished look. And I'm pulling some white in a couple different areas just to accent a petal. This one's actually pretty good with the blending of the green. That's awesome. This one needs a little bit of help. And there we go. Just going to give it a quick little torch. Oh, leave my torch over here. And there we have a beautiful butterfly. Quick little painting. A couple of little pretty blue flowers. Hopefully I can show you that without pouring the paint off. There we go. I hope you enjoyed that. Give it a whirl. Try it yourself. You'll be surprised at how much you can do with fluid art and pour painting and doing little puddles of color. It's awesome. Thanks for joining me, and please hit the subscribe. Again, it would be very much appreciated. Enjoy.